Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the new video lectures. And this video lectures is based on the exercise 7.3. And this exercise 7.3 is an applications of simple equation to have practical solutions. Okay, so here we will discuss our first topic, that is find two consecutive numbers. Okay, find two consecutive first question, that is question number 7. Question number 1, 7.3. The first question is what? Find two consecutive numbers whose natural sums are whose sums are 85. Okay, so let the two natural numbers be. Let's say, what is the consecutive numbers? Okay, consecutive numbers, if 1, then another number will be 2. That means 2 we can get 1 plus 1 is what we're getting 2. Let's say 49, the next number is what? 50 is what we call consecutive numbers. So what is it? 49, this is 49 and this one is 49 plus 1. Okay, so adding one consecutive one by one, that is what we call the consecutive numbers. Okay, so let's discuss about this one more detailedly. Okay, next number is what we call consecutive numbers. So solution, what is it? Let the two consecutive numbers, let the two consecutive natural numbers be x. If one is x, then another number will be what? X plus 1. Okay, if one is x, that means if one number is 10, then another one will be what? 10 plus 1, 11, right? So in this way, according to question, what is it? Okay, according to, we don't know the two numbers, that's why I'm writing x, and another is x plus 1. So if I add this, their sum. Okay, if I add this one x and another number x plus 1, if I add these two numbers, then we are getting 85. Okay, so what do you got here? X plus 1 is equal to 85. So what is it? X plus x is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal to 85. Now this is what we are getting now. Okay, with a direct method here we have a plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 is there. If I want to remove this plus 1, what should I do? I have to subtract both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 into 85 minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. So what do you get here? 2x is equal to 84. 2x is equal to 84. Okay, I'm writing this side. 2x is equal to 84. See here. 1 minus 1 is 0, so I'm cancelling it directly. Okay, then 85 minus 1 is 84. Okay, now I'm going to remove these two. So what should I do? I have to divide both sides. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Our x number is what? 42. Okay, so our number is 42. Okay, then another number is what? The two consecutive numbers are what? Two consecutive numbers are if x is 42, then another number will be 40. If f is 42, then another number will be 43. What? 40. X is 42, then another number will be 43. 42 plus 1 is 43. Okay, so these are the two numbers. Okay, these are the two numbers. If one number is 42, then another number will be 43. I think you're clear about this one. Okay, so if the two consecutive number, what is it? Two consecutive number is x is 42, then another number is 42 plus 1 is 43. So these are the two consecutive numbers. Okay. So your question will be written in the board, in the screens. Okay, so question is said, Bobby has 3 marbles less than 4 by 5 of what Bundy has. If the Bobby has 13 marbles, how many does the Bundy have? Okay, let's try to solve it. Okay, so what is it? Question numbers 3. Number 2 will be how it works. Okay, so let the numbers of the marbles that Bundy have be x. Okay, let the numbers of marbles that Bundy have be x, because we don't know what is this. So according to the question again, Bobby have number of marble. Bobby have, how much is this? 13 marbles. Okay, 13 marbles. So according to question, what is it? According to questions, okay. According to question, what is it? Bobby marbles. Okay, Bobby marbles is what? Equal to, Bobby marbles is equal to what? 4 by 4 by 5 times 4 by 5 times means 4 by 5 into x minus 3. Okay, it is 3 less, 3 marble less. Okay, so 4 by 5 of Bandi is x. 4 by 5 into x minus 3. So if I want to remove minus 3 this side, I can erase this way also. 4 by 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 13. I can erase this way also. Okay, so in the same way, I'll just write it a bit closer. 4 by 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 13. So if I want to remove minus 3, that means since minus 3 is there, that means I have to add by the same number. So this 4 by 5 x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 13 plus 3. So plus 3 and plus 3 cancel. Then 4 by 5 x is equal to how much? 16. Okay, it is 16 here. So now I want to remove 5. So if I want to remove 5, what should I do? So 5 is dividing, that means if it is downside, that means I have to multiply again by 5. Then 16 into 5. The 5 and 5 get cancelled. Now 4x is equal to 16 into 5. Now if I want to remove 4, that means I have to divide by both sides, because 4 is multiplying with x. Okay, so 4 and 4 get cancelled. 4 is a 16. That means what? X is how much? 5 4 is a 20. Okay, that means marble Bandi have how much? Bandi have 20 marbles. Okay, Bandi have how much? 20 marbles. Bandi have 20 marbles. Okay, Bandi have 20 marbles. Okay, therefore Bandi have 20 marbles. How many marbles does Bandi have? Bandi have 20 marbles. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Okay, so this is our question. Take the screenshot and write it down. Next, let's go to the next questions. Let's find out. Your question will be written in the screen. So solutions, let the number be x. Let the natural numbers, let the natural number be x. Natural numbers be x. So according to the question, what is said? Okay, another numbers. Okay, let the numbers is what? These numbers. Okay, the natural number is 5 times the another numbers. Okay, so this natural numbers, let another number be x. Let the natural another number be x. Let the natural another number be. Let the another natural number be x. Natural another natural number be x. Let the natural another number be x. Okay, so your number will be what? Your number is what? Therefore, natural number is what? Actual natural number. The real natural number is what? The real number is what? The first number is what? 5 times the another. That means 5 times the x. 5 times the x. Okay, what is our natural another numbers? Our another number is x. Our another number is x. Then the natural number is the first number is what? 5x. Okay, first number is what? First natural numbers. Therefore, first natural number is what? Okay, first natural number is x. Okay, so if I sum this 5x and x, then you get how much? 84. Therefore, okay, according to equation, 5x plus then for another number, if you add them, then you got 84. So 5x plus x is 6x is equal to 84. Divided by x is equal to 84 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 24. X is what? 14. What is our first natural number? Our another net. Therefore, the two natural numbers are first is what? 14, and another one is what? 5 into 14. Another is and 5 into 14. Okay, 5 into 14 is must. 5 into 14 is 5 4 is 20. Okay, 5x, that means what? 5x, that means what? 5 into 14. X is 14. So 5 is a 40. 5 4 is 20. 2 and 5 1 is 5, 6, 7. What is another number? 70. What is another number? The two natural numbers are 14 and 70. What is the two natural number? The two natural numbers are 14 and 70. I think you're clear about this one. So let's go to next questions. So let's go to the next question, that is question number 5. The cost of the book is 25, more than twice the cost of the geometry box. Find the cost of the box if the total cost is 130. Okay, so let's consider. Okay, question number 5. Okay, let the cost of the geometry be x. Okay, let the cost, we don't know geometry cost also. So let's consider it solutions. Let the cost of geometry box be x. Okay, let the cost of geometry box be x, and cost of box is how much? Cost of box is equal to 25 more, that means 25 plus more than is plus twice the cost of geometry box, means 2 times of geometry box. That is cost of geometry box is x. Okay, so cost of geometry box is x. I think you're clear about this one. So cost of geometry box is x, then cost of box is 25 plus 2x. Okay, so now according to questions, if the total cost of geometry, that means x plus cost of box is what? 25x plus 2x. 25 plus 2x is equal to how much? 130 rupees. How much? 130 rupees. So 25 plus 3 is 3x is equal plus 25 is equal to how much? 130. So if I want to remove 25, so what should I do is that I will add both sides by 25. I will subtract both sides by 25 because it is plus 25, that means I have to subtract both sides by 25. So minus 25. So if I remove some 25 and 25 get cancelled, you go to our 3x. Subtract this 5 tens, 5 ones 10, 5. 2 minus 2 is 0, 1. Now if I want to remove 3, that means I have to remove both sides by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. 3 is a 9, 3 5 is a 15. That means what? Cost of the box is how much? 35. Cost of the geometry box is 35. Okay, cost of the geometry box is how much? X, what you got? X is equal to 35. Okay, that means that cost of the geometry box is 35. Okay, now cost of the geometry box is 35. We got cost of the geometry box. Now let's try to find out the cost of we know that now we got the cost of geometry boxes. Cost of geometry boxes rupees 35. Then cost of box is equal to how much? 25 plus 2 into 35. So 25 plus 2 into 35 is 70. Then 95 rupees. How much is this? Cost of the box is 95 rupees. Cost of the box is 95 rupees. Now let's try to find out the question number 6. Okay, let's try to find out the question number 6. So let's go to the next question. Next we have an isosceles triangle. Do you know what is isosceles triangle? The triangles. Triangle means there are 3 sides. Okay. The triangle is the 3 sides. And in terms of isosceles triangle, two angles are always equal to each other. And these angles are not equal to it. These angles is different. So these angles and these angles are equal to each other. Let's say angle A, B, and C. Okay. So let the best angle of the triangle be. Let the best angle of the triangle. Question number 6. Solution. Let the best angles of triangle be x. So, and vertex angle, that is C. This is what we call vertex angles. Okay, the vertex angles is 40. Then what are the base angles? That means what, this is a vertex angles. The angle C is given, that is 40 degree. Okay, so you see, according to the angle sum properties of triangle, according to angle sum property of triangles. According to angle sum property of triangles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means sum of all the three angles will be always equal to 180 degree. And we also said best angle, that means if this is x, then this also will be x. So that means what? X plus x, x plus x plus 40, that is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x is how much? X plus x is 2x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now subtract this one. 2x plus 40 minus 40 is equal to 180 minus 40. So 40 and 40 get cancelled. So 2x is equal to how much? 140. Okay. I think you're clear about this one. Now I'm writing this side, which implies that I'm going to remove 2x. That means what? 2x is equal to 140. This. If I want to remove this 2x, that means 2 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. 2 sevens are 14. What is the answer? Our x is equal to 70. Therefore, the best angle. Therefore, best angle is 70 degree. Therefore, the best angle is how much? 70 degrees. Okay. Therefore, the best angle is 70 degrees. Clear about this one? So take the screenshot and copy down. Okay, so both these are, if this is 70, then this one also will be 70. Okay, so this is 40, this is 70, this is also 70. Okay, so this is what we have done in question number 6. Let's go to question number 7. Okay, question number 7. Okay, let's go to question number 7. Again, question number 7 is written in your textbook. Kaniska thinks of the numbers. If you take away 7 from 5 by 6 of the numbers, then the result is 28. Find the numbers. Okay, so let the numbers be x. Okay, question number 7. Solutions. Let the number be x. Whatever number he thinks be x. So according to question, what is that? If Kaniska, okay, if she take away 7 from the 5 by 6 of that numbers, 5 by 6 of that number, that is x, if you take away how much? 7, then you got how much? You will get how much? You will get how much? 28. Okay, you will get 28. That means what? 5 by 6x minus 7 is equal to 28. So if I want to remove 5 by 6, that means what shall I do? I will add both the numbers by 7 is equal to 28 plus 7. Then 7 and 7 get cancelled. The 5 by 6 is equal to x is equal to what? 35. Now if I want to remove 6, then what shall I do? I have to multiply both sides. I have to multiply both sides. That is what? 5 by 6. Okay. Which implies that 5 by 6 x into 6 is equal to 35 into 6. 6 and 6 cancel. Then you get 5x is equal to what? 35 by 6. Now if I want to remove 5, then I have to divide both sides by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. 5 7s are 35. 7 6 are 42. What is the number? What number he thought? She thought number she think is what? 42 numbers. Okay. What is the number? She thought number 42. And 5 by 6 of that 42 minus 7, you get 28. Okay. So this is your answers. Okay. Okay, let's go to the question number 7. So question number 7 here you see, Sarika's father is 25 years older than Sarika. After 10 years, he will be twice as old as Sarika. Find the present age. Okay, so let us consider let the present of the Sarika be x. Okay, question number 7. Solutions. Let the present age of Sarika be x. Then present age of Sarika father will be mass. They said 25 more, that means x plus 25. Okay, so now after 10 years, That means what? Sarika H will be mass. After 10 years, Sarika H will be mass. Sarika H will be equal to what? If it is Sarika is 5, after 10 years, 5 plus 10, it becomes 15. Similarly, if Sarika X is X, that means after 10 years, it will be X plus 10. And Sarika father H will be mass. Sarika father H is equal to what? X plus 25 plus 10, that become what? X plus 35. But according to questions, what is it? According to questions, it is something like this. Sarika father will be twice. After 10 years, Sarika father will be what? X plus 35 is equal to 2 times of Sarika after 10 years. Okay, so if I calculate this one, X plus 35 plus 2X equal to, equal to 2 tens are 20. Okay, so I'll move the 20 from here and send it. I can write this way also. 2x plus 20 is equal to 35 plus x. So if I want to move to 20, okay, then this one by one you try to find. Okay, one by one you try to find it. I have already found out the equations. Okay, you try to find out the entire equations and find out the age of the Sarika. The remaining questions I will give it this way only. Okay, remaining questions I will give it this way only. This is not question number 7, this is question number 8. Okay, Sarika 8. Okay, so remaining questions I will give in this way, and then you have to find out. Okay, the next 2 more questions are theirs. Okay, let's go to the next question. This is question number 9. You see in your purse, okay, inside the purse there is only 25 paisa. Okay, inside the purse there is only 25 paisa. Paisa coins. Okay, so 25 paisa coins is there inside the purse. But how many coins are there that we don't know? Okay, but inside the total, if I count it, okay, the amounts that we get is how much? 10.50 paisa. Okay, rupees 10.50 paisa. That's question number 9. So let the numbers solution. Let the numbers of the coin. Let the numbers of the coin. Numbers of the coin be x. Okay. So total amount is how much? Total amount is rupees 10.5 paisa. Okay, so if I want to convert this one into 10.5 paisa, then this one I have to multiply by 100, because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa, so it will be 1050 paisa it will be. Okay, so according to question there is 25 paisa, then this number of coin we don't know, so that means if I multiply numbers of coin into numbers of coins into 25 paisa, it will be called how much? 1100 paisa. So numbers of coins we know that is x. 25 into x is equal to 10050. Now if I want to remove the 25, that means what? 25x divided by 25. That means 1050 divided by 25. So 25 and 25 cancel. 2542. Okay, 2542. Okay, so 25 2 is 42. Okay, so how many coins we have? We have 42 coins in our 42 coins is present. 42 numbers of coins is present inside our 42 numbers of coins is present inside the purse. Okay, so 42 numbers of coins is present inside the purse. Okay, so this is your question. So you try to note it down. Okay, so let's go to the last question. That is question number 10. Let's go to question number 10. Find the length of the rectangle field is twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the field is 96, find the dimension of the field. Let the length of the solutions. Question number 10. Let the breadth of the rectangles rectangle be x. The length is how much? Length of the rectangle is 2 times of x. That means 2 times of breadth. Twice its breadth means 2 times of breadth. Okay, so now what is it? according to questions, you see perimeter is given. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to how much? 96. Perimeter rectangle is equal to 96 meters. And we know the perimeter rectangle is how much? 2 times of length plus breadth is equal to 96. And we know 2 times of length is how much? 2x plus breadth is how much? X is equal to 96. So 2 into 3, 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 96. 2 3 is a 6, 6x is equal to 96. Now if I want to remove 6, then what should I do? X, I have to divide both sides by 6. Okay, so I think 2x is this. Yes, twice the breadth. So it is 96 now. 6 and 6 cancel. So 2 3 is a 6. 3 2 is a 6. 3 3 is a 9. 3 2 is a 6. So next, 2 1 is a 2. 2 6 is 12. So length is, so breadth is how much? 16. Okay, so therefore our breadth is, that one you can write, therefore breadth is equal to what? Breadth we know it is x, that is equal to 16. Then 16 meters. And length will be how much? Length is equal to 2 times of x, that is what? 2 into 16, that is 32 meters. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. You try to note it down. Okay, so in this way you try to do the remaining, you try to do all the questions. It's very much important. Okay, so these types of questions are very much important, not only for class 7, but it is also important for the class 9 and 10 also. Okay, so anyway, let's try to meet in the next video lecture with the next chapters, new chapters. Okay, anyway, bye bye.